Ever wondered how to train your dog effectively? Today, you'll learn about a fantastic and efficient method known as clicker training. This popular technique isn't just a fad, it's a science-backed method that uses timing, consistency, and positive reinforcement to communicate effectively with your canine companion. Imagine being able to teach your dog not only basic commands like sit, stay, and come, but also more complex behaviors, all with the simple click of a button. This video is your comprehensive guide to the world of clicker training, providing you with practical examples and valuable insights. Whether you're a first-time dog owner or a seasoned trainer, there's something for everyone to learn and apply. And what's more, it's not just for dogs. Clicker training can be effective for a range of pets. So are you ready to dive into the world of clicker training? Let's begin. First, you need to understand what a clicker is and why it's so important. A clicker is a small handheld device that makes a distinct, consistent sound when pressed. This seemingly simple gadget is a powerful communication tool in dog training. The clicker functions on the principle of operant conditioning, a psychological concept where behavior is learned through consequences. In this case, the consequence is a positive one. When your dog performs the desired action, the clicker sound is immediately followed by a treat or praise. This association, when reinforced consistently, teaches your dog to associate the clicker's sound with a job well done. The beauty of a clicker lies in its consistency. Unlike our voices, which can fluctuate in tone and volume, the clicker's sound remains constant. This consistency helps eliminate confusion and ensures clearer communication with your furry friend. The clicker also allows for precise timing, marking the exact moment your pet exhibits the desired behavior, making it an effective tool for training dogs. Now that you know the importance of a clicker, it's time to learn how to use it. The key to successful clicker training lies in its basics. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to begin your clicker training journey. To start, you will need two things: a clicker and a handful of your dog's favorite treats. The idea here is simple yet profound. The clicker serves as a bridge, a signal to your dog that they've done something right and a reward is coming their way. Here's how it works. Say you're teaching your dog the command, sit. You'd wait for your dog to naturally sit down. As soon as their bottom hits the ground, you click and immediately follow it with a treat. This sequence, repeated over time, helps your dog associate the sound of the click with the desired behavior and the subsequent reward. The beauty of clicker training lies in its timing. The clicker can mark a behavior the exact moment it occurs, something that can be challenging with just voice commands or treats. This precision helps your dog understand exactly what behavior earned them the reward, making the learning process faster and more efficient. Now, let's talk about another command, stay. You'd begin by asking your dog to sit. Once they're seated, you'd take a step back, and if they stay put, you'd click and reward. Gradually, you can increase the distance and duration, always rewarding with a click and treat when your dog successfully stays. It's important to remember that clicker training isn't an overnight process. It's about building a language of communication between you and your dog, one click at a time. Patience and consistency are key. Don't rush through the steps. Allow your dog the time to understand and respond. Also, keep your training sessions short and sweet, about 5 to 10 minutes at a time. This will keep your dog engaged and prevent them from getting bored or overwhelmed. Remember, patience and consistency are crucial. Practice these basics before moving to more complex commands. Once your dog has mastered the basics, it's time to move on to more complex behaviors. The beauty of clicker training is that it's not just limited to simple commands like sit or stay. It can also be used to teach more intricate tasks such as fetch or roll over. Let's start with fetch. Initially, you'll want to reward your dog for just touching the object you want them to fetch. Click and treat as soon as they show interest in it. Gradually, you can raise the bar by only rewarding them when they pick it up in their mouth. Eventually, you can add the fetch command once your dog has made the association between the action and the reward. Now on to roll over. This trick might be a bit trickier, but patience is key. Start by rewarding your dog when they lie down. Then, lure them to roll onto their back by moving a treat over their shoulder. Click and treat right when they roll over. Remember to add the command once they've associated the action with the reward. However, advancing with clicker training is not always a smooth ride. You might encounter challenges such as your dog losing interest or not responding to the clicker. But don't worry, these issues are quite common and can easily be resolved. If your dog seems disinterested, it could be that your rewards are not enticing enough. Try using higher value treats or their favorite toy. On the other hand, if your dog is not responding to the clicker, it might be that the clicker sound is either too loud or too soft. Experiment with different types of clickers to find one that your dog responds to best. Remember, patience and consistency are crucial in clicker training. It's essential to reward your dog immediately after they perform the correct action, as this helps them make the association between the behavior and the reward. The key to mastering these complex commands is to build on the basics and practice regularly. So keep practicing, keep rewarding, and you'll soon see your dog performing these commands with ease. So, you've learned the basics and some advanced techniques of clicker training today. We've journeyed through the essence of this highly effective dog training method, showcasing its simplicity and efficiency. We've highlighted the vital role of the clicker in creating a language that your dog can understand, making communication between you two a breeze. We've reiterated the importance of timing, ensuring that the click is precise and immediate, capturing your dog's good behavior at the right moment. We've emphasized the need for consistency, making sure that every click is followed by a reward, reinforcing the positive behavior you want your pet to learn. Patience, we've learned, is key. Each dog is different and will learn at their own pace, and that's perfectly okay. The beauty of clicker training lies in its adaptability, suiting the individual needs and learning speed of every dog. Remember, every dog learns at their own pace. Happy training, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more effective dog training tips and techniques.